Now I'll teach you to assemble these rows. Firstly, we have the flower and the leaves that we made. Crochet the leaves in advance, flower pots and soil, and then there's a little bit of cotton. First, let's apply some glue to this flower pot. Glue around the perimeter as well. The main purpose of applying glue is to make the bottom of the planter flatter and harder. If we don't have a hot melt gun, we can also use a lighter to heat it up. Well, after applying the glue, we placed the planter on the tabletop and pressed it down to get it to set. You can put some cotton in here and press it. Check that the bottom of the planter is flat. After gluing our flower pots, put it aside and let it dry. Next, we wrap the iron wire of this flower around the cotton thread. Put a little glue under this. Wait till I wrap the cotton thread around it. This cotton thread is always wrapped underneath. Just wrap it in green cotton thread. Almost 3 centimeters long. It's about this long. Then we'll put a little more glue on this. Hold this cotton thread in place. After it's stuck, we put the leaves. Wrap it around about 3 centimeters. This flower pass here. Finally, put the leaf 2 leaves, one on each side. Tweak it a bit. This thread is also put first to wrap to the underside of the leaf, and the same goes for this leaf after that. Put it side by side on the other side. Afterwards, we took the cotton thread and wrapped it around the iron wire. Wrap this leaf tightly. Let's cut out this cotton thread. Cut it off and leave part of it to continue wrapping for about a centimeter. Put a little glue on it. Stick this cotton thread. After that, we'll cut out the following. You can use a larger pair of scissors. Smaller scissors may not be able to cut it. Once the leaves are assembled, we can proceed to the following assembly. Assemble the flowers into this soil first. We'll widen the hole in the center a bit. Now we assemble the flowers with the soil. Through the center of the front. The soil should be flush with the leaves. Then we put glue on the back to hold it in place. We can use a lighter if we don't have a hot melt gun. Cut off this excess cotton thread. After assembly, we will put it into a flower pot. Line the cotton thread of the soil with the joint of the flower pot. Next, we'll use this sewing needle. Now this flower pot is relatively hard. Now let's sew it straight together. Corresponding to this interface, this place to start sewing. Then follow my demonstration of stitching. Sew the pot to the soil. Be careful not to sew it crooked, as this will tilt the top flower. It's almost done. We'll add some cotton to this. You don't need to add too much cotton. Next, sew it up completely. Then hide the excess cotton thread. The threads are cut off directly. After adjusting the flowers a bit, shape the leaves a bit. And that's how we made our roses.